Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a private server and steal a Brainrot. And the best part is, you can actually do it for free. Let's jump right in. First up, when you click on create private server in Roblox, this one, you'll see it costs 79 Robux per month. But don't worry, you don't always have to pay out of pocket. What you can do instead is, first, you can go ahead and see if you got friends who already own private servers. You can simply join theirs for free. Just hop in through the server list, no Robux required. Currently, I have no friends in this account. The second method would be earn Robux and please donate. So all I have to do is just type in please donate. There we go. If you don't have friends with servers, another option is to play this one, please donate. You can raise Robux through donations, and once you've got enough, you can put it towards your own private server. It might take some time, but it works. And finally, you can also go to Microsoft Rewards, this one. So from here, we can actually redeem points for Robux gift cards. For example, this one, 6,750 points gets you a 400 Robux gift card, which covers nearly 5 months of Steal A Brainrot private servers. All you need to do is sign in with your Microsoft account and start earning points through simple tasks and searches. And that's it. Whether you're joining a friend, grinding please donate, or stacking up Microsoft rewards, you can enjoy your own private server in Steal A Brainrot without breaking the bank. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one.